All right, good morning, wonderful followers of TikTok. It is once again your Urban Farms, Mark Urban Farms, and this is what we have here. The last time I overheard Value Farm talking about you don't need enough capital. Yes, he meant it. You don't really need enough capital to do what your brain is telling you. Maybe if you're interested in farming, all what you need to do is just to have the ideas and go by it. Now, this system here is a system to prove to you that you don't need to talk about money before you start a farm. Understand? That is just a square round with a local IMO system built. Understand? When you understand what you want to do, you can locally do it without smell. So this is my locally built IMO system without smell. That mat there doesn't smell, as well as this pick here doesn't smell as well. So when you touch the skin like this, you realize there's no smell. Okay, now apart from that, I have that is the original sawdust build. Understand? Right here as well. So when you see the sawdust build, this is what we use for the manure. You know, we've been talking about manure. Pig manure. Pig manure contains almost all the 13 nutrients that I think plants need to grow faster. So this is my manure. From here, you realize this is a pure manure. Understand? It is still growing. Understand? It is still forming into a better manure. So this is how it goes. Like over here, we don't have a gutter, we don't have a drainage. All what we do is the feces, the urine, all remains in the same pen for production. So this is what we have. Almost all the pens has the same system. Understand? So you see those are my pigs. Here we don't normally bath them because of cleanliness. Probably because of the heat, we give them water to just cool down the temperature of their body. Understand? So very soon, this dust here you are seeing will be like this. Understand? It is getting brown. Like the one here, you see, this is our first pen. All those who have been following us from the beginning, this is our first pen. You see. So this is the manure. This is the manure we've been talking about since. Understand? Once again, don't forget to like it. After viewing, just give me one like and subscribe. Understand? It's all about Mark Urban Farms. Yeah.